Welcome back to my channel Story Time with Sonali. I hope you all are doing good and taking good care of yourselves at home. So, are you ready to sit down and read with me? Today we are going to read Little Monkey, written by Martha Alter. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Little Monkey. Monkey loved living in the jungle. There were so many things to do and so many things to see. But every now and then, oof, things went a bit wrong. Monkey had a little problem, and the problem was being little. Some days everything was out of reach. Other days it was out of sight. Things were always too deep, too dangerous, and too difficult for someone so little. No, you can't climb up here. Monkey was fed up with always missing out. So one day she made a decision, a very brave and very big decision. I will climb to the top of the tallest tree. The jungle is not too big for me. You will see. It wasn't an easy journey, not easy at all. The river was deep and dangerous. The path was often difficult. But Monkey would not give up, and step by step she found her way. Everywhere Monkey looked, she noticed little things, and the little things did amazing things. Now it's my turn, she said. So Monkey began to count. 1, 2, 3. Who's too little now? Not me. Soon Monkey had reached the very bottom of the tallest tree in the jungle. This will be fun, she said, and she began to climb. Up she went, climbing higher and higher, right to the very top. The world below looked so little and so beautiful. Finally, Monkey could see everything, including the rest of her troop. They look very excited to see me. Do you think they are excited to see her? Or what is behind her? It must be time to go, thought Monkey, and she swung down from the tallest tree, feeling very pleased and very proud. Monkey did love living in the jungle, now more than ever before. I may be small, but I am very brave, she said. And very lucky, said the rest of the troop. Little Monkey knew they were right, because the smaller you are, the larger your adventures can be. But best of all, the bigger the hugs feel. The end. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you had fun reading this book. Do share this video with your friends and family and read along together and have fun. If you want to get the copy of this book, check out the link in our description box below. And if you like our video, then tap on the notification button for our next story. Till then, be safe and be healthy. See you in our next video.